Hello, my little boy. Hey, are you going to talk to Mum? Yeah? Oh, have we just been for a walk to the park? Yes, we have, haven't we? Hey? Yeah? Oh, are you tired? Are you tired? You could have a little sleep, that would be nice. And your mummy could too. Yeah. You must be joking, hey? You must be joking. Oh, you're falling down. You're falling down. Here we go. It's Peter. Yeah. Hi. Mum is asleep. You can go to sleep too for Mum. Yeah? Would that be good? Yes? That would be lovely, wouldn't it? Ooh. Ooh. Hello, my Baba. Hey?